Far away from cities, deep inside forests and untouched landscapes, UprearBUILD is delivering the future of construction. Introducing the sleek series capsule pod, defined by bold geometry, fluid 180-degree curves, and a perfectly sculpted capsule form. Designed not just to look stunning, but to maximize space, comfort, and guaranteed second looks. Shapes like these are impossible to achieve by hand. They demand machine precision, and that's where UprearBUILD's advanced manufacturing takes over. Factory built, engineered to perfection, down to the millimeter. This pod is built in a flat pack format, compact enough to travel hundreds of kilometers, yet powerful enough to unfold on site within hours. Once assembled, minimal finishing follows, delivering a fully finished pod in just days. This model truly comes alive and elevated, like a modern treehouse. Panoramic views of lakes, waterfalls, and dense forests turn height into an experience. Inside, a queen-size bed, a fully functional bathroom, wardrobes with pantry and dressing, a study desk, and premium fixtures, all thoughtfully planned, all ready to use. This is modular construction at its best. Engineered, precise, and remote-ready, UprearBUILD creates futuristic, capsule-style living spaces, crafted by machines and delivered anywhere in India.